Good morning there, David here from FTSE100Pro.com. For those that don't know me, I was the first in the world to offer these trades on the FTSE100. In fact, I still don't have any competition. Why is basically because what do I do first? I trade in front of a live audience every single day. So I give you my trades before they happen, you see me take them, and you see them close out. Success rate to date is 97. I've been doing this since 2007, and success rate is 97.5% for all trades to be closed out the same day. Every now and again we have one closing out the next day, which is in fact a trade I'm going to give you now. So I'm going to give you the exit target and the entry targets. Okay, so here we go. Just before I do that, I'll just give you a quick update. Well, let's give you the trades first, then you don't have to watch the whole video, do you? So trades first, exit target. You see I've drawn a line there, 58.5. We'll call that 59, allow half a point, which means 59 bid. The exit means there's a 1 point spread, so the exit target will be 60. So as long as it's within hours, no larger spread, the exit will be at 7,460. Entry will be 2 entries, potentially 3, but it's initially just 2 entries. First entry will be at 7,499. You can see here I'm looking for this to get up to 7,484. That's my first upside target, so we need a new high here. But that's another trade, don't worry about that. Then ideally, then we've got an upper trend line here, so that needs to break, which is not going to be easy. It's the main, if you see the daily here, oh, it doesn't matter, it's a main support area here. I need that to break, and first target is 7,499. It should get to 7,500. And then the next one will be at 7,519, 7,519. So 7,499, 7,519. Assuming we do get that, those get filled, it probably won't be down until 8 AM Monday morning. So it'll be a nice trade to get to first thing in the morning on Monday. If, however, we get a really decent spike up today, which is possible, there's non-farm payrolls today, blah, 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 then it's possible we could get a big spike up, then I would actually add again, and I expect it to come down all the way back down today. So we got a really decent spike up, I don't know, 7,550, whatever. I expect it to come all the way back down today and close out today. It'd probably be after hours if it goes that high. If it only goes, as I said, no higher than the 7,520s, then it'll probably faff around there for most of the day, and we should be down for a nice bit of easy money, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Monday morning. Anyway, so there's my trade in advance. As long as we don't get below 50, we're still going up. So this is my support area. You just have to believe me. It's a great support area. As long as it stays here, above here, we're going up. Okay, longer term, daily. This is what I don't understand. People have been selling. It's basically, I think, it's because they're just, the only thing I can think of is they just simply don't have the experience. They haven't been trading long enough. I mean, it's been years since we've had an historical high, so they're probably just, don't know what they're doing yet. So basically, when most people have to look at the most obvious beginner stuff. I actually don't use them myself, but all the free indicators out there that most people use. Yeah? So you're having overbought signals. Everything's saying overbought. Well, of course everything's saying overbought. We're at an historical high. So everything's screaming overbought. Look here, we had an historical high here. You see? And it came all the way down here before making another historical high, then traded sideways, came back down, sort of replenishes the energy, then goes back up, and then comes back down here, replenishes the energy, then makes an historical high. We're in an uptrend. It's not confusing. Anyway, when I say replenishes is energy, when you have overbought indicators, as long as something moves sideways, then they tend to even out. The longer it can trade sideways, or go down some and trade sideways, it will sort of replenish its energy, so to speak, and then it won't be showing overbought so much. Okay, so pretty straightforward stuff. And then yesterday we had, again, another neat uptrend, like you see here, broke out. I've got, as I said, as long as it stays above 51, it won't be going down. I'm actually long here for 84. I've actually got some in profit here. Don't know why that went, those closed out. I've got some massive profits when this goes up a little higher. Not much more. Another 5 points. I'm going to. Oh no, it's more than 5. Sorry, different company. Another 8 points. It's going to be some good money, honey. Anyway, you have the trade. Last trade I posted. Every now and again I post a trade for the future. Last one was for 6.25%. It was very good money, and we made the money. There hasn't been one that hasn't hit. My success rate is 97.5% for every trade to be closed out that day, as I said. And today, all being well, I'm looking for this to not drop until Monday. This is important. If it drops to 58.5 first, before going up, fitting me, then I would no longer be selling. I would have missed out on the trade. So if it drops back down here first, you see it keeps nearly getting down but not getting there. And if we get a decent spike up, real big spike up today, which I said is quite possible with the non-farm payrolls, which would be great, then I'll take a sell there for it to come back. It should be back down today. Very, very simple and clear. Will it be correct? Well, what do you think? I'm not going to tempt fate. Well, I have tempted fate now, but that's what I'm doing. Okay, that's it for me. Take care, and I must do a follow-up on this video. I didn't do one on the last one, nice 6.25%, saying that's been hit, but you can find it if you look for it. Okay, that's it. Take care. Bye for now.